Hey everyone, thanks for tuning into Crypto ZX. I really appreciate you stopping by my channel today. To all my viewers watching my video right now, can I please ask you guys to smash that like button and hit the red subscribe button if you haven't already. This does help with the channel tremendously and it also keeps me motivated on making videos for you guys. But with that being said, let's jump right in today's content. Alright guys, before I begin, I would like to say the disclaimer, anything on this channel should not be taken as financial advice because I am not a financial advisor. Cryptocurrencies are super volatile, so please do your own due diligence and research before investing in these markets. Looking at the overall crypto market cap on CoinGecko right now, we are currently sitting at $1.43 trillion. And we're up 4.5% in the last 24 hours. Meanwhile, BTC dominance is currently sitting at 44.4%. Just to point one thing out, CoinGecko, does tend to be a little bit off when it comes to the numbers. But to be exact, as of recording this video, BTC dominance is still quite high, sitting at 46.47%, and the overall crypto market cap is at $1.373 trillion. But looking at the overall markets, guys, because we are going to look at the overall markets today, see what's going on and where we could see Bitcoin go in the immediate short term. So if you are an altcoin holder or you're a Bitcoin holder, you do not want to miss this video. You want to watch till the end because you might find some things interesting. But if we're looking at the overall markets, guys, we are seeing, green once again. And, there is some mild red across the board in the last 24 hours. But if we are looking in the last 7 days, you guys can see Bitcoin is up 8.2% in the last 7 days. And there are some altcoins in the markets that are already outpacing Bitcoin. As you guys can see, Ethereum's up 14.8%. We're seeing Dogecoin up 12.3, 13.7 for Polkadot. You guys get the picture. So markets are indeed looking very, very nice as we speak. And there's obviously everyone asking the same question: where is the market going in the immediate short term, and are we really starting the next leg up? And we will go over that and see what's exactly going on. But I want to share one thing with you guys, and that is there's this new project. I've never heard of this. It's called Axie Infinity. It's up 103.8% in just the last 2 days. If you guys want me to do a deep dive into this project, let me know in the comment section below because I do want to look further into this project. But now I want to share some bullish news if you are a crypto holder, and then we will get into the charts and see what's going on with the market. Alright, so this was posted by Cointelegraph and it says $10 billion asset manager registers new Bitcoin fund with the SEC. Stone Ridge Asset Management, the parent company of New York Digital Investment Group, or NYDIG, has been actively pursuing new investment vehicles for Bitcoin. On Friday, Stone Ridge open-end mutual fund revealed a new Bitcoin-focused investment strategy. So, the fund pursues its investment strategy primarily by investing in Bitcoin futures contracts and in pooled investment vehicles that invest directly or indirectly in Bitcoin, collectively Bitcoin-related investments. The fund does not invest in Bitcoin or other digital assets directly. The filing was made under the SEC Form N-1A, which is required for establishing open-end management companies, including mutual funds. In terms of structure, the fund is very similar to the NYDIG Bitcoin Strategy Fund 2 filed in May of this year. So regarding the fund targets exposure, this prospectus states the fund seeks to invest in Bitcoin-related investments so that the total value of Bitcoin to which the fund has economic exposure is between 100% and 125% of the net asset of the fund. More institutional investors have gained exposure to Bitcoin over the past year, reflecting broad mainstream acceptance and a growing appetite for digital assets. As Cointelegraph reported, the next wave of institutional adoptions could be driven by financial advisors, a broad category of professionals who are looking for a new investment horizon. For financial advisors, the Bitcoin market has been significantly de-risked from the perspective of career outcomes. Very, very interesting. The reason I wanted to share this with you guys is because it aligns with what we're about to speak right now. Because I have been mentioning this for quite a while. If you're a regular viewer on my channel, you guys know I have been saying that we have been seeing a lot of institutional interest coming in the markets that we have never seen before. But if it's your first time, this might be new to you. But institutional side of the spectrum, we are seeing a lot of interest coming in, and this asset manager, that is registering right now with the SEC is not coming as a surprise to me at all, because the market is headed towards that mainstream. People are starting to accept cryptocurrencies, especially Bitcoin, Ethereum, and some good other big projects as an asset class. Obviously, at the beginning, when cryptocurrencies were coming new, we were hearing a lot of FUD across the board. People were saying this is not here to stay, blah blah blah. But this happens whenever a revolutionary type of technology, comes into the markets. People will always talk negative about that. So the early comers, whoever get in earlier, they do basically benefit out of that. So now people are starting to see how you can hedge against inflation, and this is why there is so much interest coming into the cryptocurrency space right now. And I believe this is just the absolute beginning as we speak. But now, if we are looking at the prices of Bitcoin, everyone wants to know the same question: where are we going for the Bitcoin price? And are altcoins ready to have a lift up towards the upside? I don't know what I'm doing, but I'm sorry. So, we will answer that and go over the most likelihood outcome. And right now, as you guys can see, as of recording this video, Bitcoin is literally sitting at $34,000 on dot. And that's exactly what I would like for Bitcoin to do. And we are seeing the bullish volume actually have a positive impact on the Bitcoin price. As you guys can see, we are above this level of support at this $33,363. If you guys don't know what that is, basically this level of support, guys, is a very 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 important level for the Bitcoin price. Now you may be asking why. Because, guys, once we do break below this level, majority of the times, you guys can see in the past, the door is definitely open for the Bitcoin price to drop below $30,000. So I would like for Bitcoin to stay above this at all cost, because once we are below it, the door is definitely open for the price to drop below $30,000. But now comes the question: are we out of the woods yet? Absolutely not right now. Yes, we are looking good overall, but guys, this is nothing to be getting super excited about. Yes, we have been hearing a lot of positive news come out over the last few days. We had Elon Musk, which is by far the biggest news that has come up, and he came out and said that SpaceX, along with himself and Tesla, might start accepting Bitcoin once again. But SpaceX is holding Bitcoin on their balance sheet along with Elon Musk himself. And if you guys don't know, the guy has a major impact in the cryptocurrency space. Whether it's crypto or anything he mentions will obviously bring in a lot of hype and traction, because you guys know people around the world look up to this guy because they see him as a genius. Don't get me wrong, I'm a huge fan of Elon Musk, but one thing I want to point out to you guys, I have mentioned this before, but if this is your first time coming onto my channel, you might not know, I'm not a huge fan of how much power Elon Musk holds within the cryptocurrency space, but I guess we do have to deal with it as time goes by. So since that, comment that he made regarding Bitcoin, we have seen a beautiful spike for Bitcoin, and we're above this $33,300 mark, and currently sitting at $34,020. Now comes the question: where are we supposed to be going for us to have some sort of confirmation that yes, the bottom is in and we are headed towards the upside? Me personally, I would like for Bitcoin price to go above $36,200 mark first, and then Bitcoin will be in the safer zone, in my opinion. The confirmation does not come in until $38,500 level. Once we break above this, guys, then me personally, I start getting excited that yes, there's a high likelihood that the bottom is in and markets are indeed headed towards the upside. but still, we should not be getting excited until then. We do have quite a bit ways to go still, and then we will start talking about whether or not the markets are actually starting to go towards the upside. A lot of analysts are coming out and saying that we are, going to, as we go approach August and head towards August, we will see a massive spike, in the cryptocurrency space, and the next leg up will definitely start. And Elon Musk really has kickstarted this upwards trend. But again, we do have to keep in mind we cannot have a major entity or some big person around the world that has a lot of power come out and say something negative about Bitcoin, which obviously will have a negative impact on the Bitcoin price, causing the price to fall. So we need to keep that in mind when we are looking at the charts. We cannot just look at the positive things like oh my god, everything is looking so good right now, there's no FUD finally across the board, so markets are just going to straight keep going up towards the upside and actually break all-time highs. That's not the case. I wish that was, but we do have to look at all the outcomes. But as of now, guys, I am loving what I'm seeing right now for the Bitcoin price. But for us to get excited, we do need to break above $36,200 mark, and then break above 38.5 for us to have a confirmation that yes, markets are indeed headed towards the upside, and things are starting to look good once again. But until then, we're still not out of the woods just yet. But now comes the question for the altcoin market. The altcoin holders, because you guys know who you are, you guys love your altcoins, and everyone has the same question. Well, when are we going to see the move that everyone is anticipating where altcoins go absolutely crazy? If we're looking at the BTC dominance, I'm seeing something very, very interesting play out for the altcoins. So let me mention as to what I'm talking about. You guys can see altcoin market did not budge as much. Even though we're seeing the market move towards the upside, we're still seeing all the altcoin I'm sorry, not the alt the BTC dominance index has not budged at all. It's still hovering around the same levels above this 46.47%. But still, despite that fact, guys, we are seeing some of the altcoins, exploding. Some are up 22%. You guys get the picture. And, considering that the BTC dominance is still quite high, that is a very, very bullish indicator in my opinion. But for us to have the parabolic type of run towards the upside that everyone is anticipating, and the one that we did see earlier on, we still need BTC dominance to fall back down to these levels around 40 to 39%, because then markets do coil up and altcoins do start flying, and that's basically where the altcoin season does begin. What I am starting to think that will, what most likely is going to happen first is that we will see, again, this is just my own personal opinion, it could go either way. What I'm personally thinking is that right now a lot of, a lot of hype is coming into Bitcoin, obviously due to the fact that Elon Musk has come out and said what he has said. So I am thinking that we will see BTC dominance stay around these levels or even gradually move towards the upside, and we will see a rally in Bitcoin price first. Maybe we might break all-time highs. You never know, because you guys know markets do move up very, very fast. So if we do have more and more good news coming out, and you guys know Amazon, there was Amazon news, they are hiring people to integrate cryptocurrencies as a payment option. So a lot of speculation going on whether or not Amazon is going to start accepting cryptocurrencies. Obviously, a lot of good news is coming overall in the cryptocurrency space. So if we factor all these things in, I do believe that Bitcoin is going to see a rally first. Altcoins will still go up. This does not mean that if BTC dominance is quite high and BTC is going towards the upside, altcoins are not going to move. That's not the case. When BTC moves, altcoins market is definitely going to move up with it. It's just not going to be the instant massive gains that we see when BTC dominance is quite low. But what I'm thinking is that once a BTC does have a stable zone, let's say it starts trading sideways, then I believe that money, the profit, is going to flow into the altcoin market, and we will see the BTC dominance fall down once again. And that's where altcoins are going to start seeing a nice rally towards the upside. That is my personal, opinion, but we will see what happens. But before I end this video, I want to say that the overall market cap is still holding quite well. On the daily time frame, we are almost breaking this 50 EMA. So last time we were above this was quite a while. Obviously, on the 4-hour chart, it's totally different. But I'm talking about a daily time frame. So we need to get above here, and then I definitely think things are gonna start looking very, very nice for the cryptocurrency space. But I like how good the overall market cap is holding, but we should not be getting excited right now until we do break above around 1.7 to 1.8 trillion dollars. Then the excitement level does kick in my personal opinion. But let me know in the comment section below what you guys are doing right now. Are you guys picking up some altcoins? What is your strategy? Are you in Bitcoin, altcoin? How is your allocation within your cryptocurrency portfolio? I would love to know your thoughts down below, and let me know in the comment section below what you guys are thinking about my content. I know, like, my regular viewers, I know who you are. Thank you so much for all the support that you guys show me, and the great nice feedback and the love you show me. I'm forever grateful, and remember, I do this for you guys. And let me know which coins, any specific new coins that are coming out in the markets that are very interesting that you guys want me to cover. I would love to know your thoughts down below. And do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, guys. This does help my videos get to a wider audience, so your support would be greatly appreciated. Thank you so much for all the support once again. I love you guys. Stay safe out there. Safety, health, and family comes first, and everything else absolutely comes later. It's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.